friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. For today's video, I just did a good old get ready with me. I created this look, we chatted, I talked about Thanksgiving-y things, and used some older products that I absolutely love, and I just hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this look. I hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever you're doing, and I just hope things are going well for you in general. Before we hop into it, my plugs are from Love Kills Boutique, my earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and I got this necklace from a boutique in Puerto Rico on my vacation last December. I don't know the name of the shop, but that's where I got it. Anyways, without further ado, let's just hop in, create this look, hang out, and just have a good time. Hi friends, how's it going? Let's create a makeup look, shall we? I did already prime with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. I'm still really liking this with the weather occasionally getting cold here in Florida. Very occasionally, my skin is doing crazy things where it's going from dry to super dry to normal to spots. And that's just seeming to be the best primer for me right now. It's very hydrating. And for foundation today, I'm gonna use the Bite Beauty Changemaker. I've been re-obsessed with this month. It's just so good. I have a brand new Juno & Co. sponge to use. It's always nice busting out a new sponge. How are you doing? I think it's the day after Thanksgiving when this video is getting uploaded, so hello from the past. It's only the 12th for me. I'm in major pre-film mode, just trying to prep for the rest of this month and also getting a head start on next month because in case I haven't mentioned it, I do plan on uploading every single day in December, so trying to get a jump start on that. How was your Thanksgiving? Tell me all about it. What did you do? Do you keep it more low-key? Do you have like a larger family get-together? Are you super traditional with it with the basic Thanksgiving food? Do you do something totally different? Is it literally just another day for you? I want to hear all about it. Our plan is just to do our own thing. That's what Zane and I did last year, and it was very peaceful, very chill. We did still make like the normal Thanksgiving foods, well, the meat alternative versions of the turkey and ham, obviously. But yeah, we just plan on doing our own thing again. My family isn't doing really anything this year. His family is likely going to Alabama to see his sister. We haven't talked to them about it, but that's just my guess. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, by the way. I reintroduced this into my makeup routine, and I've been enjoying using it up again. What Thanksgiving foods do you like to make? We have our fake ham from the Tofurkey brand, and we have the Field Roast brand fake turkey. We might pick up a third meat option, like another fake turkey, because there are so many fake turkeys this year I saw. There's like a Gardein brand. We had the Tofurkey one last year. There's a Trader Joe's one. There are so many, so we might pick up another one. We shall see. Always make green bean casserole. I love green bean casserole. It's like my favorite thing. Sweet potato casserole. Gotta have a pumpkin pie, obviously. Mashed potatoes, mac and cheese. I like to make croissants specifically with Thanksgiving. I don't know why. Croissants just seem the most fitting. I think that's about it. I might be forgetting something, but that's the general gist of what we like to make. What do you like to make? What's your favorite? Do you have a million leftovers now? I hope so. We like to make enough for the two of us that we have dinner for like 4 nights in a row. Let me add some bronze into this face now. This is my Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick, of course. You guys know it's my favorite bronzing stick. Are you doing any Black Friday shopping? Zane and I don't have any like major plans to buy anything as of right now. Like we have like obviously a list of things we want to buy for our house in February when we move. So like we'll keep an eye out on if anything that's on our list is like on a good sale, but we don't have any like expectations as of right now. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Blur Setting Powder, of course, and then for the rest of my face will be the NYX High Glass Finishing Powder, like I pretty much always use. Have you decorated for Christmas yet? If you're someone who does, I mentioned it a million times at this point, but I decorated on the 1st. But I know a lot of people wait till right after Thanksgiving to decorate. A lot of people wait until December 1st. I even know people that wait till like a couple days before Christmas. I just love decorating early. It makes me so happy. And I'm not trying to prolong happiness, you know, especially not in 2020. You know what? I want some positivity in the comments. Since Thanksgiving literally just happened as I upload this, what are you thankful for? I know this year's been really hard for pretty much every person on the planet, but I want to know what good has come out of this year. What are you thankful for? What's making you happy, bringing you joy? I'm thankful for my husband. I'm thankful that we got to get married before the pandemic. I'm thankful for my kitty cats. I'm thankful that our families have stayed healthy during all of this, thank goodness. I'm thankful that I have my own salon studio where I can still do hair safely and in my own little bubble where I don't have a ton of people around me. That is such a blessing. And I'm so happy that I've just stayed busy ever since I reopened, because closing for 2 months sucks, but I'm so thankful I've just stayed busy and continued to get busier ever since. I'm thankful for YouTube, and while it definitely can cause some stress, like doing social media things, I'm very grateful for it, and I'm very thankful for you guys, and I adore you all so much. And now switching gears a little bit, another thing I am thankful for is Oden's Eye and the fact that they are sponsoring this portion of the video. I've worked with Oden's Eye quite a few times in the past. I absolutely adore Oden's Eye. If you don't know them, they are a really cool Swedish indie brand, and they focus their packaging and theming around Norse mythology. They have so many cool products ranging from lip products. They have cream lip stains, which have a little bit more of a glossy feel, and matte lip stains, which are obviously matte. They have more of a blotted lip kind of feel, not super opaque like a traditional liquid lipstick. They're so comfortable. They have blushes, they have flower and fruit blushers. This is one of the flower ones called Sweet Tulip. These ones have shimmer in them. The fruit blushers have no shimmer, they are matte. They have beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna pair 2 of them today. We have the Alva 2, which is this beautiful, colorful dream. And my personal favorite that they've come out with is the Solmon eyeshadow palette. I just love this color story. It makes my heart sing. And they also have beautiful highlight palettes. The one that I'm gonna use today is the Alva 2. It's just absolutely stunning. I love their Solmon highlight palette as well. I think it's just, they do such a beautiful job with their products, their theming. Everything makes me happy. There are so many beautiful details on the packaging. Everything is so unique and special. And I just adore this brand. I get so pumped for them. I'm super excited to see what they come out with in 2021. It's weird saying that because we're getting so close. I'm super thankful Oden's Eye wanted to partner with me for this portion of the video so I can let you know that they are currently running their Black Friday sale. From today, the day that I'm uploading this, the 27th, all the way until the 29th, they are having a site-wide Black Friday sale. During these 3 days, you can enjoy 40% off of their entire line, which is such a good deal. And to make it even better, you can use my discount code BeautBean to save an additional 10%, making it 50% off, which is wild because I feel like their prices are already super good. So 50% off, that's crazy. My BeautBean discount code is an affiliate code, just so you're aware. I do make a small commission, which I appreciate so very much, but please do not feel pressured. You're welcome to just enjoy the 40%, but you might as well get the extra 10% off and save 50%. If Oden's Eye is a brand you've been wanting to try for a while, this would be a really good opportunity to try them because this is such a good sale, and I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on some products. Again, this is running from today, November 27th, all the way until the 29th. Enjoy some sale, and don't forget to use code BeautBean for an additional 10% off. All right, for the remaining portion of this video, we are going to play with some of these Oden's Eye products so you can see them in action. For blush, I'm going to use this flower blush I showed you earlier in Sweet Tulip. I'm really feeling these just kind of cool toned rosy blushes lately. It must just be a winter thing. I'm really enjoying them. I love their blushes so much. My personal favorite blush from them is Little Jasmine. Apricot Girl is a close second, but I truly love all of them. At this point, my blush collection and declutter video might have already gone up. If not, it's coming soon. And spoiler alert, I kept all of my Oden's Eye blushes because I just absolutely adore this formula and these colors. I'm keeping the focus here in my temples. I've really been enjoying this placement lately. I'm not really putting it so much on my actual cheeks. I'm liking it really focused kind of in the outer portion. Oh, I love that color. It's so cute. If you've tried Oden's Eye before, what is your personal favorite product? Maybe you have some recommendations for people in the comments if someone's interested in trying them for the first time. I don't know if I have a singular favorite product. I really like their highlight palettes. Those might be my favorite things they've come out with. They're just so beautiful. And I'm just so excited to see what else they come out with and expanding their line. I think it's going to be so cool. A brief pause from Oden's Eye for me to apply some fake freckles. This is my ColourPop freckle pen in soft brown. Just going to do a couple little ones around the nose today. Obviously, you can skip freckles if they make you angry. But I think they're cute, and I do them every time I do my makeup. And I'm just going to take my brush that I used with my blush to kind of stamp over top of everything. Just because I like them to kind of look like they're under my makeup a little bit. But I'm also not trying to fool anyone. I don't care if they look like fake freckles, they literally are. And then for highlight, we have the Alva 2 highlight palette. Oh my gosh, I was so stoked when this released this summer. So pretty. Oh, I don't know what to use. I think I want to cocktail this salamander shade. It's so wet looking and just sparkly. And then this kind of purpley-ish shade. I think that'll be a good little combo. I'm gonna take mostly the purple on my ColourPop brush. This is a ColourPop F33 with just a dash of salamander. Salamander is like incredibly pow. So a little goes quite a long way. Oh, I just love it. So pretty and wet looking. Actually, I'm gonna take a little more salamander because I want it even more wet looking than it already is. Oh, just look at that. Oh, this highlight never does me dirty. I would legitimately wear these highlight palettes every time I do my makeup, but I try to switch it up for YouTube so that you guys don't get too bored with me. But man, are these highlight palettes so pretty. Just gonna dab a little of that combo on the nose. And that's it for the skin. I'm just gonna set my face with the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip setting spray, and then we'll move on to eyeshadow. All right, eyeshadow time. I'm not really sure what I wanna do. I know I wanna play with the lilac-y color in the Salmon palette, but I'm not sure what else I want to play with just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. You do whatever works for you. Let's just go ahead and dip into that shade. It's so pretty. One of my favorite lilacs in my collection. This is my Alter Ego #2 brush, just a big fat blending brush, and I'm just going to start working that through the crease. I do plan on doing a little bit of a half cut crease today, so I do want to put heavier focus here in the outer corner. I'm going to also blow this out underneath that lower lash line, just because you know me, I like a very blown out, smoked out lower lash line. I can't get enough. Now that that purple's looking good, I'm going to dip into the Alva 2 palette with the shade Coffee here to help deepen things up a little bit. I'm going to use the Spectrum B04 brush. It's kind of angled, so I'll be able to really kind of press it here in the outer corner in the position that I want it to be in. I think I want just like a very cozy, purpley, bronzy, maybe pop of gold kind of situation. I don't know what I'm thinking. We'll just see what happens as it happens. As you can see, I'm just kind of stamping it with the shape of the brush in this outer corner so I can deepen up this outer corner and keep it in its place. I'm not trying to blend this out like crazy just yet. I will also take this and pop some under that lower lash, just a teensy little bit. And I will drag a teeny bit through the front of the crease, just with what's ever left over on my brush. I'm not trying to totally overpower that purple. I am gonna take some more of that purple from the Salmon palette with that blending brush I had earlier and just start going to town on this just to get a very, again, I want it to look very purple, just using that brown coffee shade to help deepen it up. Not to make my eye look brown. I'm liking the way that looks. Purples are always so fun to wear, and it used to be my least favorite color to wear for the longest time, and I don't even know why. Love it now. I think it's so pretty. So for cut creasy stuff, I really want to take this duochrome down here and make that kind of my cut shade, and then I want to have it fade down into the Alva 2 palette, into this copper red shade. I think that combination of colors will be just really pretty, really soft, warm, cozy, wintry, you know? So for that, I'm of course gonna take my NYX Glitter Primer because I use glitter glue with every shimmer ever. It helps everything pop, and it also just helps me get really precise when I'm doing cut creasy things. And I'm just taking a very flat brush. I'm gonna just smear this glitter primer across my lid and kind of follow my eyeball shape. And I'm gonna stop it right where things are deepening up in the outer corner, just to kind of give me a rough outline of where I want to place things. Alrighty, going in with that duochrome. So pretty. Just going in right with the same sticky side of that same brush. I'm just going to follow where I was just going before. It's very personal to your preference and your eye shape as far as where to place like cut creasy stuff. This is just what I found works best for me. Look how sparkly that is. It's like Christmas lights on my eyes. It's so pretty. And I like to have things in kind of a diagonal, so I'm going to put a little bit more focus in that first third of the eye so that it can angle up and create kind of a diagonal as it fades down. I feel like it blends nice on my eye shape. I just like the effect of it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this duochrome so much. Okay, taking Copper Red now from the Alva 2 palette, and I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna use the clean side because why waste another brush? And this is gonna go right underneath it. And again, I'm going a little at a diagonal, so it's just trying to follow that kind of a shape. And I'm just lightly patting it here in the outer corner, and I'll worry about fading it in with the mattes in a minute. Just trying to make sure I have enough coverage out here. Oh, I like these colors together already. So now I'm just gonna go back and forth with both sides of the brush, and I'm just gonna kind of keep smudging them together until it all flows how I want it to. And their shimmers are so pretty. Oh, I love that. It's such a cool color combo. I feel like it's very warm, cozy, wintry. I really like this. Now I'm gonna take the brush that I had with that dark brown matte coffee. I don't have any additional product on this brush, and I'm just lightly tapping right here so it can fade from matte to shimmer nicely. I'm not trying to have any harsh stops except for where the cut crease is, obviously. And I'm just gonna take my brush I had with that lilac, again, no additional product, just to make sure out here is blended nicely. Oh, I really, really like this color combination. I think it's really pretty. For my inner corner highlight, I thought I would probably just do the same combination for my face, but I'm gonna start with just this, see what that looks like. If I need salamander, I'll go back in for salamander. So just picking up that light purple shade on this brush. Ooh, that's really pretty by itself. I like that, but I am gonna dip into salamander just the teeniest little bit, just to add a little extra sparkle and wetness because I cannot help myself. Oh, I like this look a lot. I had no plan going into this look and I'm loving how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead now then and repeat it on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, lip product, and I'll be back when my look's complete. All right, this is my final look. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm living for this look. I think this color combination is so pretty. I feel just very like wintry, but not like typical winter kind of feel, you know what I mean? I think this is super cute. I just love that duochrome. It blows me away every time I use it. It's so pretty. The eye pencil I paired with this is Crybaby from ColourPop. I just wanted a light lavender to really complement that inner corner. My lashes are the style Hallowqueen from Esta. And for lips, I went with my favorite Oden's eye lip product. This is the Little Jasmine Cream Lip Stain. So as you can see, this lip stain has kind of a glossiness to it, but I wouldn't call this a gloss. I feel like cream lip stain is literally the best description of it because it's very creamy. It's kind of glossy, but not glossy. It kind of feels like a creamy lipstick, but it has that shine to it. And I just love this color. I love this formula. I've worn this lip more times than I can count. It's so pretty. Anyways, I hope you like this look. Let's just zoom out and finish this video up. All right, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun just sitting down, hanging out with you guys, creating this look, playing with some of my favorite products that I haven't used in a while. Again, Oden's Eye is running their Black Friday sale from today, November 27th until November 29th. It is 40% off site-wide, and you can use my affiliate code BEAUTYBEAN in all caps for an additional 10% off, making it 50% off total. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, week, month. I just hope things are looking up for you. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji that makes you think of Thanksgiving, just because we're in that time of year. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well, and it'll be every single day in December. Please make sure you're staying informed with Black Lives Matter. There's a link in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.